In this video, I'm going to show you how to use 1xbet bonus amount in Hindi. It will be very easy. Firstly, come and click on registration here. Now, you will come and click on registration by email, whereby, for example, you enter all your informations, and now you will come up to the code of country, click on it. Now, you will enter the country India, and you will click on it now, so as to put your phone number in India. By continuing to enter all your information right up to promo code, you will enter BOTV, which will help you to get 300% of bonus at your first deposit. By putting an amount of $10, for example, you will obtain $30. And now everything set, click on register. As from here now, come right to your menu. By clicking now on 1x games, you will perceive some bonus games like bonuses here. You will just play games like Lucky Wheels, Quest of the Day, Jackpots, depending on what you like. And you will come also on Casino, where you will select categories of games that suit you. You will see a lot of games like Crash Game, which is very simple, fast bet, and also easy to play, whereby if you continue winning freely by playing on it, you will see that your electronic wallet will be now full with some money that you have gained or acquired from that. You can now come on Popular so as to place bets in every categories of sport, and it is as easy as that.